Hello friend, this is Dr. Bhartinder Rajput, PGT Biology in Shri R.S Public School, Agra. So today we have prepared a human sperm smear slide under the microscope. So here, this is our slide. So here you can clearly see one sperm with head and tail. So here you can clearly see classic picture of human sperm. Even you can count them, but they are not showing mortality because we have stained the sperm with using stain, so that might have killed our sperm here. That's why they are not mobile here. Let's see around, look at around here and there. There are a lot many sperms are here. जो आप अभी देख रहे हैं ये ह्यूमन स्पर्म है। आप यहाँ पे स्पर्म का हेड, मिडिल पीस, टेल दोनों चीज़ देख सकते हैं। यहाँ पे काफ़ी खूबसूरत नज़ारा है।